Righto. No leaks. Just have a bit of water, I'll just spray it in. Right?
That's the hot one.
And we know that works, right? Because we
Okay.
put the cold on there, but it got some sort of sensing that it didn't like it after a while. This is the cold one, and it's obviously must be for the wash cycle, maybe the rinse, and also for the detergent.
Okay.
Now, did you get this and measure this? Oh, you shouldn't be putting this on. Now, you look here, we'll go on here. You see there's a reading,
Okay.
4.3, and on here there's a reading. There,
Okay.
still 4 point something. And then on here, what's that say?
0.
Open circuit. And then you go back on the hot water one, and there it is about the same. So this is the dud coil, right?
What you put here?
Hey?
Where you put your pin?
On the pins here,
Oh, okay.
right? And on the pins. See, they're about the
Okay.
same. Then on this one here, it's dead, but we know that one's dead. That's the cold water solenoid, right?
Okay.
So that guy just pulled it off, and so because if I bug it, it's we've got to buy a new one anyway, but I just thought. It just seemed to pull off for him once he unclipped it. So, oh, gee, gad, what? I don't know.
It's almost out.
Yeah, but I'm slipping on the floor here. God. Oh. I don't know if he took something out, if something... I don't know. Did you notice? So, we'll just check this again. Still open circuit there. Looking through it. So, what I'm going to do
What is that?
Hey?
What is that?
It's another coil. It's a newie. I know you'll turn it off one day. I can feel it in my water.
Did you test that?
Yeah. What did you say?
No.
You don't think I'd put a dud on first, do you? Just watch out, I'm going to... I'll just put a bit of lube the black one in.
Can you test if it's fit here, or they are all universal? They can.
What do you mean?
Those things. This.
Yeah, what about it?
Oh, okay.
Oh, if the plug fits.
Mm.
Yeah, the socket, yeah. Oh, we don't know. Oh, sugar. I'm not going to push too hard. I'm so bloody... what the fuck?
Oops.
I should have bloody checked that. It just should go down, that's for sure. Let's see.
No, I'm just holding it up
Yeah.
so
No,
it
I'm
won't
just trying to
break.
find what's there. I can get a clamp and push it down.
So basically, the cover for this one, like this one, you only clip this on. There's no screw there. There might 1, 2. Then after that, only a clip on. So let's see if we can break this one.
Can you hold that? Yeah, just locate it under there.
It's plastic, so
Yeah, but it's pushing against itself. Well,
oh,
no,
it's cock hard.
it's just I can't. Maybe I should take it right out, like. Oh God. That's not good. You know this. No. It's bloody got gunk there. Put that one there. I don't want to break anything. Just trying to work this loose if it. And, right, that I might be okay like that. I'm just going to take the punt here. Oh, you prick him on, don't. Where's that slot? IX down there, right? Jesus Christ. There we go. Where'd I put those two top ones? Okay. Now what I need is a couple of zip clips, because I chopped those ones off. I need a couple of zip clips. Look at that. Don't know why they got zip clips here, because the other end's got a metal clamp.
That's cheaper than the metal clamp.
Yeah, but they're not really reusable when you're doing maintenance. Okay. That's on, that's on. Okay. Shouldn't be standing on wet Glory, Jesus Christ. Oh, wait a minute, wait. Fixed.
Fix. Before it doesn't go. It the letter here is 4E.
Yeah,
So when it's 4E, it means
no water.
no water, and you need to change the solenoid for the water. Just the one that was replaced there.
Yeah, and just,
That's the hot one.
yeah, we don't use hot, but last night we put the hot on the cold just to get a wash done, but it has some sort of logic. It doesn't like using hot water, maybe for the rinse cycle or something like that. Righto. Now, so fortunately,
You have a spare solenoid.
I had
From
these
the-
solenoids out of a dishwasher or something, and they're identical,
Yeah.
you know. And so one is brand new, one is out of the. Scrapped the dishwasher. I just took the solenoid out. I measured them; they're both fine. So this one we can put in the bin now.
Okay.
Don't mix it up anymore.
You can clip this back all together.
Yeah, just making sure that I haven't left anything out.
Or left anything in. You don't bother cleaning it because you are dum you're lazy freak. Just clip on. There's some.
Where does it? That right?
Yeah.
Gosh.
No?
Well, it's proud for some reason or other. There's something
Is it?
not quite. Oh no, it's okay now.
It's okay.
That works out rather simple once you know how to do it.
Mm.
Now, I'm sure that was behind there.
Yeah. You need to remove the plastic again.
God, this is bloody horrible. Oh, I've got to pull it out, huh? Shit. There's two more screws somewhere too. Yeah, all the long ones too. I wonder if I bloody. Put the long ones in the middle here because that's the bit that. Okay. No spare parts left over. Oh. Okay. Now, I was just gonna No leaks. We don't normally use a hot, but I'll just... oh, it was leaking there, wasn't it?
Mm.
So there you go.
Water flow.
Turn that off.
Okay.
Just to not use it.